Tesla has already conquered the EV scene, and the steady flow of recent and upcoming vehicles keeps its fans excited. But if we were to imagine Tesla on the water, what would it look like? The concept of the Tesla Yacht has been circulating online. It runs completely on electricity and it cruises silently through the waters. The cost is apparently a staggering $700 million. But why is it so expensive? Let's dive deeper as we take you on a closer look at the Model Y yacht and what makes it so special.